So over here you can see that I have an image, and let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and make some of the parts of this image bright or dark for that matter. So to do that, you can go to the pixel section right here, and then what you can do is click and hold this brush until you get the adjustment brush. So you can go ahead and change around the pixel size for this right here. You can change the pixel size for the brush as you want, and you can simply go ahead and draw around as you can see. So as you do that, you can see that you can go ahead and control the exposure for that particular section. So around over here, you can see the exposure adjust. You can go ahead and increase or decrease out the exposure right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and increase it as I draw, you can see that the brightness level of that particular area gets increased out. So you want to go ahead and increase out brightness for a certain area right here, or create this sort of an effect. This is what you can do. You can go ahead and delete the effect out altogether as well. This effect is non-destructive, so you can go ahead and draw around, and then you get the slider. So you can reset it. So you can go ahead right here and then draw out again. So you can see that as I reset, it simply resets the slider. So you can go ahead and change it. You can change around the opacity right here and change around the blending mode right here as you want as well, to get different sort of an effect right here, just like this. So let's just go around over here onto the brush. Let's just go ahead and draw. And as I select out this layer, you can see that the exposure adjustment creates another layer. So you can go ahead and make this part dark right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and draw out. So this is dark. If I were to select this, it will be bright right here with the blending mode applied, as you can see, just like that. So apart from that, as with regular brushes, you can increase the size of the brush right here. You can go ahead and change around the flow level right here, as with the brushes, and you can even go to more right here to change the brush size and so forth, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and change the blending mode over here as well, and then you can even go ahead and add in different adjustments as you like as well right here from that same area, and then make the change as you like. So you can go ahead and change around the blending mode right here as per how you want as well. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the adjustment brush tool inside of Affinity to go ahead and make an area of your image bright or dark as per what is necessary in Affinity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.